In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display the percentage of a pie chart in Tableau. This is a useful skill, especially if you want to quickly visualize and present data in a clear and understandable way. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Tableau application, making sure that your data source is prepared and ready to go. Once you have the app open, access your worksheet where you plan to create the pie chart. This is your starting canvas, and it's where all the magic is going to happen. With the worksheet open, drag the sales field to the rows shelf. What this does is begin to organize your data vertically, allowing us to make the necessary calculations and visualizations. Next, we need to add another dimension to our data set by dragging the region field to the column shelf. This will help delineate our pie sections by different geographic areas or marketing regions depending on your data set. Now, since we're aiming to create a pie chart, we need to change the chart type from a bar, which is usually the default, to a pie chart. To do this, click on the chart type menu in the drop-down and select pie. Immediately, you'll see your data transform from bars to a circular pie-like format. To enhance visibility, adjust the size of the pie chart and set the view to entire view. This ensures that your pie chart takes up the full space available, making it easier to read and analyze the data. For clarity, drag the sales field to the label. This will display the sales numbers directly on the pie. To further break down this information into percentages, drag the sales field again, this time to the details section of the marks card. Right-click on the sales pill in the detail and select Quick Table Calculation. From the list, choose Percent of Total. This will calculate the percentage each segment of your pie chart contributes to the total sales. After this, drag the calculated percentage to the label area. Now, each segment of your pie chart will display not just raw sales numbers, but the percentage they represent of the total sales. To add sophistication to our visualization, let's create a dual-axis pie chart. Start by typing max 0 twice in the row shelf. This might seem a bit technical, but what it does is lay the groundwork for creating two axes. Once you have two axes, click on the first axis and remove CM size sales from the text. On the second pie chart, remove Soma sales from the size and move region to the detail section. To prevent overlap, set the opacity to 0% and reduce the size of the second pie chart. For the finishing touch, click on the second pie chart and select dual axis. Finally, adjust the size so that the layers of the pie chart are clearly visible. Now you have a beautifully personalized pie chart with percentages ready to display your data insights clearly and effectively.